there you go, look. We're missing one at the minute, but he is on the way, of course, running late. Fashionable Christian. But yeah, so it's there. We've done it. Still running her in, bedding her in. Obviously the clutch is still being bedded in, as well as the brakes. I think the brakes are starting to come in nicely now, so hopefully that will just be a case of a few more gentle miles. So we're I say probably going to change the oil and filter after this show, I think, just to be sure. I think just to be on the safe side, because, well, it's better to be safe than sorry, ain't it? So, but yeah, let's have a look round her, shall we? Because we've give her a good seeing too. As you can see, hers looks lovely and shiny. Mine's rough as fog, because yeah, I give hers more attention than I did my own. So, but to be fair, it does come up really well. Not the best, but we ain't detailers, do you know what I mean? So we've cut and polished her, and then put a coat of wax on her. You look at them wheels, look. Whoa. And the brakes. Obviously do need a wipe over, but we'll do that when we get to the show. So, but I think she's come up bloody well, if I'm honest. I think that's the first time we've actually given her a proper full, like, machine polish and going over. So, and then you look at mine, and mine's just absolutely fucking hanging. But I mean, yeah, it don't look too bad, so it'll do for now. But I'm going to machine polish her while we're in the show. So as I say, I don't think I've ever really, I've polished it, but I've never like machine polished or anything like that. So hopefully we'll get rid of some of them fucking horrible swirl marks, because I mean, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, look, but that's fucking horrible. And then you look at hers, look. Oh yes, very nice. So, but yeah, we're still both very anxious, because obviously, as you can imagine, we're on high alert, because the last thing we want is for anything to go wrong. But it's just a case of enjoying her. But whoa, look at them brakes. But it's good to see the wife with a smile back on her face now, because she's got her baby back. So happy now, wife?
I am, yeah, very happy. Still a bit anxious, but we'll get there eventually with her.
It's alright, you sitting there, you're saying fucking being anxious. Yeah, it's me, it's got to fucking probably rebuild the fucker again if she breaks. But
I'll help.
Yeah, she does help. She does get stuck in, guys, so, you know, give her a dooze, to be fair. She's not one to sit there and watch completely, just majority of the time. but yeah, no, it's nice just to see that smile on her face when she's not laughing at me after I've got out of the shower, windmilling. I say windmilling, but I'm more like a light switch actually, but that's what makes her laugh. Less of that. But yeah, no, it makes it all worthwhile. So, makes her happy. So, yeah, we'll hopefully, still waiting for the bitch. I mean Christian, sorry. And yeah, we'll be rolling into VBOA. So, there he is, look. There's only one I know and going the wrong bloody way, look. Oh. That's about time. Yeah, you'll be late for your own funeral. Oh, look at them, look. Woohoo! Nice of you to join us. Took your time. Do you know, I reckon there'd be a car show an hour from yours, which is, by the way, guys, about 3.5 hours from here, and we'd still beat you there.
I'm leaving the night before.
Yeah, I reckon you should. Yeah, you could have cleaned it. You make mine look good now, look. Look at the state of them fucking wheels. That's alright. We got the backup van with the spotless water in it, so we'll be alright. Took about a year, but we finally got the three of them parked up together. Right. Time to go and get some fucking supplies then. Off we go. So, we made it. She's at VBOA. The bitches is there. Mine's over there, charging the fridge. because it's fucking warm, or it has been. And there's my daughter, that's Belle. Hello, Belle. Hello. All right, okay. But yeah, so we've made it. Still nervous. Still unbelievable that we've managed to get it here, considering we've managed to turn that around in 2 weeks. So there she is, look. I mean, I don't need to show you around the car, but she's here. She's at VBOA. Mine's over there. Christian's is here. They were all parked up together, but we needed somebody to charge the fridge. So, but they will be all lined up properly. I wanted to polish mine. However, my inverter decided it didn't want to power my polisher. So I'm going to have to do the bugger by hand, which is a royal pain in the arse. But there we go, it is what it is. There's some very we're here on the east side, Vauxhall Owners. It's alright, I get it mixed up because it always used to be east side VXR Owners, and then Max changed it to Vauxhall Owners. But just to show you, Brian's black Astra, very lovely Cavalier GSI. You will have to excuse me because I have had a couple of drinks, so, and I don't drink, so I'm a little bit tipsy. Got a nice Mark IV Astra. Got Warren's Nova convertible, Mandy's Safira, Nathan's Astra, and then we got Max's loaded Ermshire Vectra 3.2 GSI. So it does count as 6-cylinder, so we can give it a little bit of appreciation, but not too much because it's slow. I'm only joking. It's all right. It's 6 cylinders, so we'll go with it. And we've got the Vec B enthusiasts over there. We'll have a look at it a bit later. And then we got Gabor's Signum, rocking about 400 horsepower, all forged, hybrid turbo. He's done some nice mods on this one. Does look nice. I like the wheels, but I do like a bowler. So, not bad for a Signum. Do like it. And they've got Morgan's Insignia VXR. Very shiny. He's got some very funky headlights. Check them out. Whoa, fucking hell, look at them. Check them out, look. Woohoo!
Well, the thing is, it's going to get dusty in the morning anyway, so
But yeah.
now, won't be as bad, right?
Yeah, man.
You good?
Yeah, just doing a YouTube video.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So
So I'll tell you a bit about the car. It's blue, which is very snazzy.
yeah.
Insignia V6 2.8 litre turbo, been remapped. Probably pushing. I need to get it dynoed, so it's probably pushing about 370. I've had full custom exhaust, full intake pipes done. Obviously, all the lights have been custom made by one of my mates at the front.
Ross.
Ross
Yeah.
yeah. So I think it's got about 150 to 200 LEDs in each headlight.
Is it really?
Yeah. The lenses have been laser etched with VXR in it. Then it's got LCD screens at the side as well, which are programmable by an app. So you can.
Are they really?
Yeah. You can put text going across it as well. So I'll put it across in a minute. Actually, I had the East Side Vauxhall Owners Club going through it.
Pretty cool.
So, yeah, and then I've wrapped all the insides, done little bits here and there. I've got a spoiler to go on it, which I just haven't got round to doing. Obviously, I've got a custom bonnet. That was,
Not many of these, are there?
No. Well, Ross actually got this for me. You know, it's an amazing rewind of what is an iconic.
Because am I right in saying that's off a Buick?
Yeah, I think they're similar, but this is made for the Insignia. I think they're the same fitting.
Oh, nice. Happy days. And you got some custom pipe work going on under there, really?
Yeah.
I think we need to get that popped, don't we? Oh, yes. Spicy. I'm guessing they're the MWP bits, aren't they?
Yeah. They're like rocking horse shit, they are. Took me a while to get hold of them. Some bloke, he had his one writ off by the insurance company, so I managed to get that off him for, I think it was about 90 quid. And then one of my mates who breaks them got the entire one of these. I think it was about 320 quid or something.
Is that Rick?
Rick, yeah.
Yeah,
Rick, all sort, yeah. His sound is, I've been down to it so many times.
I got a turbo, the turbo that's on that, that's an Insignia one off Rick.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
cool.
So, and you got a custom exhaust on it, have you?
Yeah, 3.25 inch exhaust going all the way through. So
I think
you'll probably be able to see it if you go underneath there.
Yeah, we won't worry about that because I've had too many drinks, but I think you should rev it. Give it a little rev, Morgan, go on.
It doesn't really pop, but...
That'll do, won't it?
You got more take,
all right.
takes there.
That's alright, but then mine's fucking loud anyway. But yeah, look at these LEDs. Look.
There you go. East Side Vauxhall Owners Club.
That's very cool. Can't do that for the fucking Vectras.
I can connect to these ones, everyone's favourite. You got police mode on it as well, which is pretty cool. So you just do the app, change that.
How many times have you tried to pull somebody over with that? Unofficially?
Never.
Right, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Unofficially, how many times have you tried
in my dreams, maybe I've done it once to a BMW driver who was being a dick.
Wow.
But yeah, and then you got loads of modes on there. You can go through, program them to different things and that. But yeah.
Very clever.
And that's about it. I don't know if I'm missing anything, but...
Very nice. Right, we'll carry on looking. Thank you, Morgan.
See you later.
Not a bit old school cool. Then we have a Ford. And then there's the bitch. My bitch. I need to polish it, but obviously we've had that to fucking sort. Yeah, thank you, Belle. To try and get that polished, and then, yeah. But I don't think I'm going to get a chance to do mine because I really can't be bothered because I've had 3 of these and I don't drink and I'm already fucking smashed. So, but yeah, we'll have a look and see what else we can find. Obviously it's got to be 6 cylinders, hence the 6-cylinder Seth, but yeah, we'll see what happens. It's now the morning after the night before and might be a little bit hungover. This fucking idiot was absolutely smashed out of his head last night. It was fucking hilarious. But yeah, so, but yeah, there they are, look, sitting on each side. We're going to go see if we can find some more. Some fucking lovely cars here. Massive soft spot for that Astra. I fucking love a brocade yellow car. Check out the Nova Sport. Yeah, boy. Fucking tiny Nova. Fucking stunning left-hand drive. Fucking love it. Fucking cool. Do love a Nova. We just spotted this. I thought, oh, normal arches on the back. Why the arches on the front? I wonder why. I fucking set that up. That fucking Jesus. I mean, that fucking rips. I just spotted this naughty little biscuit. Look, fucking clean as fuck. It's nice. Oh, I bet that barks. Ah, that's nice. Gotta love an ST200. And of course, the daddy of all Vauxhalls. Really digging this Astra twin top though. Fucking lovely colour. Well, we've had a mooch round, some lovely bits of kit, and yeah, some very lovely cars here this weekend. But well, last day now, and the car's still running, so we've had it running all weekend, charging the fucking fridge. We've been taking it in turns, but she's still running, so hopefully, fucking hell, it's windy, we'll make it back, all being well. But yeah. So, but I've got them all lined up in a different way now, just because I wanted to get some different pictures. But yeah, good weekend overall. So I thought they looked quite nice, all lined up together. So, but yeah, it's quite strange saying husband and wife at the end. I say that, but he's like my fucking second wife, him. So it's husband, wife, bitch, or mistress. But yeah, I think they do look well. They've come up really nice. I've not really put a lot of effort into mine because the fucking polisher didn't work, like I said, but yeah, it's alright. They don't look too bad. But yeah. So there we have it. Thank you for everyone that popped by and had a look at the car and complimented us and whatnot and showed your interest in there. So greatly appreciated. The wife's happy, aren't you, wife?
Yeah,
there's my daughter. So. Hello, Belle. Hello. But you got it sorted, didn't we, love? So
Yeah.
just a nervous drive home now. So, but yeah, we didn't get to catch. I think there was a young lady that wanted to come and have a chat with us. So if you do see this, if you follow the link on my Instagram, drop me a message or something, or if you're on Facebook, I'm sure you'll be able to find me. But if you need some help with some bits or whatever, or sorting yours out, then yeah, we'll sort you out and help as much as we can do. So now we're in a position. Yes, Harry, come on then. Itching to get in the video, look. God forbid. Yes, Belle. And oh, we're all getting in there, look. Come on, look. Hello, Daniel. But yeah, so if you need some help with yours, love, then just give us a message and we'll see if we can sort it out. And then yeah, see what we can do for you. Try and help anyone really, but obviously now we're in a bit of a bit better position that all the cars are running at the minute. Then we're in a position now where we can help people, and I don't mind helping anyone as long as it's appreciated. But you know, we appreciate you guys for all your support, everyone that's watched so far. At the minute, I don't know, like, yeah, what we'll be doing, any videos. I mean, they're done. I don't really know what else to do at the minute. Obviously we've got the skyline, as you guys know if you followed me. But yeah, obviously we film everything, whether it's a positive or a negative, because at the end of the day we don't hide anything. We're open. We have failures, but that's how we learn, isn't it? You make mistakes to learn by them. But again, you know, we appreciate all your guys' help that have helped us and give us suggestions when obviously rebuilding Stacey's engine again. But yeah, and like I say, if you like these sort of things, then drop a subscribe, a like, a follow, whatever the bloody hell that is, and if not, then don't fucking worry, I don't care. So you you do what you do, you. But yeah, until next time guys, we'll see you soon.